Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner and here you just have to go to security. Now in the security, you will be able to see the Google 2FA authentication. So you just have to simply turn it on if it is turned off, and then it will ask you to provide the password of your account. So you just have to provide your login password of Bybit. Then you need to enter the Google Authenticator code. So in order to get it, you just have to make sure that you have downloaded the Google Authenticator application in your device. After that, you just have to copy the 16-digit key from there and you just have to paste the code over here in order to enable and set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Now Google Authenticator doesn't allow the screen recording option, so that's why I cannot show you how this process works, but it is quite straightforward. You just have to simply copy the key from there and paste it in the Bybit section. Then you just have to confirm it with the 6-digit code. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.